Flexible exchange rates. Exchanges are said to be floating when they are allowed to fluctuate in value depending on the forces of the market or demand and supply. In the balance of payments, we may have activities such as debit entries or credit entries. Let's assume there is a debit entry. A debit entry is when, remember, a debit is a negative entry. That means that money leaves the United States, and suppose the transaction is to buy a German car. And in this case, we're going to assume it's going to be imported from Germany. So the transaction involves, or the assumption is a foreigner wants to get, in this case, euros or yen or yuan. It depends on the country that we're talking about. Well, so in order to buy the vehicle, we have to take our dollars. We need to supply our dollars to buy euros and pay. As this transaction occurs, the supply of dollars will increase, and simultaneously the demand for euros will increase. So that leads to, remember from basic demand and supply, if the supply of anything increases, then the price of that item decreases. And if as the demand for euros increases, then the price of euro will decrease. Will increase if the demand increases. Well, so this is a depreciation of the dollar. And this means a euro appreciation. So as we experience in our balance of payments, more debit entries, such as imports of goods or services, then our currency tends to depreciate in value because we are supplying more of our currency, and the foreign currencies will tend to appreciate in value. That is what it says here. Now in credit entries, the opposite occurs. Credit entries is when foreigners are buying our products, so we are exporting more. So in a credit entry, for example, we are selling an aircraft to France or to Italy. So we sell the airplanes. The Europeans buy dollars and pay us in dollars. So they offer more of their own currency, which depreciates the euro, and buy dollars, which will appreciate the dollar, as it says here. So that is what happens in the real world. Demand and supply is always changing depending on all these transactions that are occurring every day.